Best tea for diabetics. Did you know that the right teas could help you manage your blood sugar naturally? That's right. Daily Cup could do more than just wake you up. Are you drinking the best teas for controlling diabetes? Or could your tea actually be harming your health? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal 7 amazing teas that can help stabilize your blood sugar and support your diabetes management. Managing diabetes isn't just about medications. It's about the lifestyle choices we make every day. And one simple, yet powerful habit is what we drink. Certain teas are packed with compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reduce inflammation. In today's video, we'll dive into 7 amazing teas that you can easily add to your daily routine to help you take control of your diabetes and improve your overall health. Let's explore these natural remedies and how they can support your diabetes management. Number 1. Cinnamon tea. Let's kick things off with cinnamon tea. If you're looking for a natural way to help manage your blood sugar levels, cinnamon tea should definitely be on your radar. Cinnamon is packed with compounds, particularly polyphenol, that can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. This means it helps your body use insulin more efficiently, which is key in regulating blood sugar levels, especially for those managing diabetes. Drinking cinnamon tea regularly can have a particularly positive impact on blood sugar control after meals. This is crucial because many people with diabetes experience blood sugar spikes after eating. Cinnamon helps to smooth out those spikes, making it a great addition to your post-meal routine. But the benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many diabetes-related complications, so reducing inflammation can help prevent further health issues. On top of that, cinnamon supports heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and even helping with circulation. It's the perfect tea to incorporate into your diet, not just for managing diabetes, but for improving overall health. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, cinnamon tea is an easy and delicious way to support your blood sugar management. Number 2. Green tea. Next up, let's talk about green tea, one of the most well-known and widely consumed teas in the world, and for good reason. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, which have been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity. This is crucial for people with diabetes because improving insulin sensitivity means your body can better manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes after meals. Green tea doesn't just help with blood sugar regulation, it also plays a role in preventing the development of type 2 diabetes. Studies have found that drinking green tea regularly can lower the risk of developing diabetes by improving overall metabolic function. This is particularly helpful for people who are at risk of developing diabetes but want to take preventative steps. In addition to its blood sugar benefits, green tea is great for supporting weight management. It boosts metabolism and encourages fat burning, which can help manage weight, a key factor in controlling blood sugar. But that's not all. Green tea also promotes heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing bad cholesterol, and helping to keep blood vessels healthy. With all these benefits, green tea is a fantastic option for anyone looking to not only manage their blood sugar, but also improve their overall health. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you enjoy it hot or cold. It can even be paired with a slice of lemon for added flavor and health benefits. Number 3. Ginger tea. Moving on to another powerhouse, we have ginger tea. Ginger is more than just a flavorful spice. It's an incredible tool for managing blood sugar levels and overall health. So, why is ginger tea so effective? Well, ginger contains compounds that have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood sugar levels. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps your body process glucose more effectively. Regularly drinking ginger tea can help regulate insulin and stabilize blood sugar levels, particularly after meals when blood sugar tends to spike. What makes ginger even more powerful is its ability to not only help with blood sugar, but also improve digestion. If you struggle with bloating or discomfort after eating, ginger can soothe your stomach and reduce symptoms of indigestion. It's also well known for its ability to reduce nausea, making it a great choice if you're dealing with digestive issues or feeling under the weather. Adding ginger tea to your routine can give you a natural, soothing way to support your body in managing diabetes while offering additional health benefits. It's easy to make. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, and you're good to go. Number 4. Chamomile tea. Next up, we have chamomile tea, which is often associated with relaxation and sleep. But did you know it also plays a role in managing blood sugar? Chamomile has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help regulate blood sugar levels. By reducing inflammation in the body, chamomile can improve overall blood sugar control, making it an excellent addition to a diabetes management routine. Drinking chamomile tea regularly may not only help keep your blood sugar in check, but also promote better sleep. Chamomile is known for its calming effects, helping you wind down after a long day. If stress and poor sleep are affecting your blood sugar levels, chamomile can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, supporting healthier sleep patterns. Plus, the better sleep you get, the better your body can regulate blood sugar. So, chamomile tea is a win-win. It's soothing for the body and mind, while also supporting better blood sugar control. Sip on chamomile tea in the evening and enjoy its benefits. Number 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is another excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. Peppermint tea works wonders because it has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This means that your body can use insulin more effectively, helping to regulate blood sugar. Consuming peppermint tea, particularly after meals, can help reduce blood sugar levels and keep them stable throughout the day. In addition to its blood sugar benefits, peppermint tea also offers relief from digestive issues. It can help ease nausea, reduce bloating, and improve digestion, making it a great option after a heavy meal. On top of that, peppermint has a natural cooling effect that can help reduce stress, which is important for overall health, as stress can negatively affect blood sugar control. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing, sugar-free drink, reach for a cup of peppermint tea. It's not only delicious, but also supports your body's efforts to keep blood sugar balanced and promotes digestive comfort. Number 6. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a delicious and effective option for those looking to manage their blood sugar naturally. This vibrant red tea isn't just visually striking, it's packed with health benefits, especially for those with diabetes. The reason hibiscus tea is so beneficial is because it contains anthocyanins and flavonoids, two powerful compounds that have been shown to help lower blood sugar levels. These compounds help to regulate insulin, which improves your body's ability to use glucose efficiently, keeping blood sugar levels in check. Regularly drinking hibiscus tea may also improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can process sugar more effectively. Along with that, hibiscus has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, which is crucial for managing diabetes and reducing the risk of heart disease. On top of these benefits, hibiscus tea is a great option for heart health thanks to its ability to support healthy blood pressure. It also has potent anti-inflammatory effects, which help reduce the risk of complications related to diabetes. So, if you're looking for a flavorful, nutritious tea that helps regulate blood sugar while supporting overall health, hibiscus tea is an excellent choice. Number 7. Turmeric tea. Finally, let's talk about turmeric tea. If you're looking for a powerful natural remedy to manage your blood sugar, turmeric tea is definitely one to consider. The key ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory and blood sugar-lowering properties. Curcumin helps reduce the body's inflammatory response, which is a crucial factor in managing diabetes. Chronic inflammation can worsen insulin resistance, and curcumin's anti-inflammatory action helps to alleviate this, ultimately improving insulin sensitivity and helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking turmeric tea regularly can support better blood sugar control and contribute to long-term management of diabetes. On top of its blood sugar benefits, turmeric is also a great ally for joint health, helping to reduce joint pain and stiffness, something many people with diabetes struggle with. But that's not all. Turmeric tea has many other health benefits, including improving overall wellness by supporting your immune system and enhancing digestive health. So not only will it help regulate your blood sugar, but it'll also support your general well-being, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Key takeaways. We've covered 7 powerful teas that can help you manage your diabetes naturally. From cinnamon tea that helps improve insulin sensitivity to green tea packed with antioxidants that support metabolism, each of these teas brings something unique to the table. Ginger tea works wonders in reducing inflammation and regulating blood sugar after meals, while chamomile and peppermint teas are both soothing and supportive for blood sugar control. Hibiscus tea is a flavorful option that also helps lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation, and turmeric tea, with its anti-inflammatory properties, contributes to better insulin sensitivity and overall wellness. These teas not only help regulate blood sugar, but also provide a range of additional health benefits, such as reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and enhanced heart health. By including these teas in your daily routine, you're not just working on stabilizing your blood sugar, you're also promoting your overall health and well-being. So why not start today? Pick a few of these teas, make them a regular part of your routine, and watch your blood sugar levels stabilize while reaping the extra health benefits. By adding these incredible teas to your daily routine, you're not just helping manage your diabetes, but also boosting your overall health. Every sip counts when it comes to better blood sugar control and improved well-being. Which tea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing diabetes naturally. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.